Welcome to this guided visualization exercise. Today, we'll work on overcoming fear of the unknown, a common challenge when embarking on new journeys like semi-retirement. Find a quiet place, sit comfortably, and let's begin. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment, and exhale gently through your mouth. Repeat this 3 times. In, out, in, out. Repeat one more time, feeling your body relax with each breath. Now, focus your attention on your feet. Imagine roots extending from the soles of your feet deep into the earth. These roots ground you, connecting you to a solid foundation of stability and strength. Close your eyes and picture a safe, welcoming space. This could be a cozy room, a tranquil garden, or even a beach at sunrise. In this space, you feel completely secure and at ease. Take a moment to notice the details, the colors, the sounds, the temperature. Allow yourself to feel the peace and safety that this space provides. In your mind's eye, imagine a door in your safe space. This door represents the unknown, a new phase of your life waiting to be explored. At first, you might feel apprehension, but notice that the door is glowing with a soft, inviting light. As you approach the door, you realize you're holding a key. This key represents your preparation, experience, and resilience. When you unlock the door and open it, a beautiful path is revealed on the other side. This path is filled with opportunities, growth, and fulfillment. Take a step onto the path and feel the confidence radiating through you. You are now ready to embrace this new journey. Begin by repeating these affirmations silently or out loud. I am capable of facing the unknown with courage. I trust myself to adapt and thrive in any situation. Every step forward brings me closer to my goals. Feel these words resonate within you, strengthening your resolve. Take another deep breath in and out. Gradually bring your awareness back to the room you're in. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you are ready, open your eyes. You are now grounded, confident, and ready to embrace the opportunities ahead. Remember, the unknown is not something to fear. It's a chance to grow. Keep this visualization in mind whenever you need a boost of courage. Remember, you've got this.